Today we're making some Parmesan chicken meatballs. So I actually have all the ingredients here. Everything that I have as far as the cheese and that yogurt is dairy free because I cannot have milk. So all my girlies and guys that can't have dairy, this is the place to be. So we want to make sure we wash our hands, of course. And I just mixed everything in the bowl. So I had about 2 pounds of ground chicken. I forgot my egg. So I put egg in there just to make sure it all sticks together. To be honest, I feel like I should have used 2 eggs, but like I said, I shouldn't be having dairy, but just 1 egg should be okay. And yeah, we just mixed everything together. This is actually my first time using yogurt, and the reason that I did this was because sometimes ground chicken can become very dry. Not as dry as ground turkey, but it can be dry. So I wanted that to kind of tenderize the chicken a little bit, and honestly it came out pretty decent. And I got bougie and didn't want to use my hands to mix, but anyways, then I just popped the meatballs in my dusty air fryer on bake at 325 for about 20 minutes, and this is what they came out looking like. Super tender and soft and flavorful, and they were honestly delicious. Go to part 2 where I make the Alfredo noodles to see the taste test.